Hello everyone, today I will show you how to avoid storage full in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So, whenever you go to Gmail, and then you click on the profile picture at the top right, and then you see that you have already used all of the gigabytes available. So right now I have used 70% of my gigabytes. If you see that you have used all of it, what you can do is click on it, and then let's say if it reached 15 gigabyte out of 15 gigabyte, what you can do is you want to click on clean up space, and then you can review the large files or photos, videos, or any large attachment. You can review it, and then you can click on any of these large files and then click on trash, and it will say that it has been permanently deleted. So if you go over all of these, you will be able to delete all the files, and that is how you can clean up the space in your Gmail and then avoid storage full in Gmail. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.